Welcome to this channel. I think I said it at the start of the year, I'm going to start reviewing stuff that gets sent to me from companies on Amazon. So they send me stuff on Amazon. It's not just a vaping channel. I'm going to start reviewing other stuff. I'm just going to start reviewing other stuff because I enjoy it. I enjoy doing these little few minute videos. This was sent to me from a company from Amazon and it's relatively cheap. It was about £23. It's a DELUX. So this DELUX company, I looked them up. They're a Chinese company. They do gaming keyboards, gaming mice, gaming mouse, whatever you want to call it. And sort of stuff like that, gaming sort of stuff, and on the quite cheap scale. They're not these massive Alienware company. They're just doing it, and they're trying to release. When they spoke to me, they said they're trying to release quality products cheap. So this Ergonomic, I had to read that word 5 times. I'm not good with long words. This Ergonomic vertical mouse was sent to me by them. So I've never used a vertical mouse. If you see my mouse, I did bring it out. My mouse that I've been using for 3 years, and I edit these YouTube videos. I know there's not much editing goes into it, but I edit the YouTube videos for 2 channels, and I edit a podcast that I've been doing for 3 years. This is the only mouse I've ever used for the last 3 years. This little one from HP. It comes with the computer. Look, it's all worn off, but it works. So it's one thing I've never thought about changing. I've just thought it always works. I just use it always. I have a few times experienced a little bit of wrist pain, not enough to be that repetitive strain thing, not enough to be carpal tunnel. Just if I'm doing a long session of editing, normally the podcast, it will tense up a little bit. Just the next day it might feel a little bit sore in the little joints. I'm getting old now. That's what happens with age. But apparently these vertical mice or mouse are meant to combat that. They're meant to combat that. Because you hold it sideways, and I'll put a picture on, but when your natural hand movement, and people who's into scientists and all this, and doctors, they know this, your natural hand movement is like that. You're like that. You drive a car like that, you walk like that, you've got a bone there and a bone there, and like that, that's straight. When you're using a mouse, when you do that, they're twisted. The bones, they don't twist, but the bones are like this, and then when you do that, they go a bit like this, they go a bit like that. See? So your arm's normally like that, but when you twist it, it's something like that. If you know what I'm trying to get at. These vertical mice are designed to combat all that repetitive strain and that carpal tunnel and all them wrist aches and that, because your arm and your hand is in a more natural position because you're having it like that and you're using it like that. That's the introduction to Ergonomic. I think these are called Ergonomic mice. So I was sent this one. This is, like I say, about £23 on Amazon. I will whack a link down below. This has got them RGB lights. Is it RGB? So you've got your left button, your right button. You've got a DPI selector. You've got your roll wheel just there, and you've got your back and forward, so you can change the page back and forward. And it's got a bit of this bit comes off, and it's a bit of a palm rest. But that's hard plastic. I would have liked that to have been soft plastic. The thing is with these, when you've been using a mouse since you've ever had a mouse, it's always like that. Whether you get repetitive strain or not, that is comfortable. No one's going to say when you're using it on your computer and that, and you like that with a mouse, it's comfortable. Whether they say your arms and bones and all that are twisting, it don't matter because it's comfortable. It's what we know. If these were the first mice that come out, we would be saying, oh, have you seen this sort of thing? You get used to it. It's just comfortable. Everyone, you know how to use it. You're pushing down as well against a table or surface. So you've got like a thing, if you press it sideways it could move it. These, they take some time to get used to. I don't know, I'm still not 100% used to it. I've been using it, I've been trying it. The colours are, I'm a bit old to have all these colours and stuff, and I find myself just switching it off. So it's good it's got a little switcher offer. You can switch the colours off. I don't need all them colours shining in my eye. And you hold it like this, and it's a good size. I would say I've got a medium-sized hand, and it's a good size for a medium-sized hand. You've got your left button, right button. You've got your wheel selected there. You can easily do it, and then you can use that for your wheel, or you can just do it like that, and you click. All the buttons are in good positions, and then you've got your thumb on this side for your left and right. If you're left-handed, you're going to struggle a little bit because you can do it, but it's designed for right-handed people. I'm afraid it's designed for right-handed people because it's not designed for left-handed. It's the way it is. You could use it. You're not going to be comfortable using it if you're a lefty. But like that, it's pretty comfortable to hold. But using it, I'll get used to it. But I'm a bit all over the place. It's like I'm the first time I've ever used a mouse. I've been using this for what, two days. I've been using this about 2 days, and I'm still a bit like trying to aim it, and it's a little bit strange still for me. I will stick with it for a little bit, but this is I think this is a decent one. Everything works, all the buttons work. The DPI selector on the bottom works. You just press the little button and go through your cycle of DPI. I'll just leave it as standard, to be honest. None of that stuff. I'm not a gamer, but if you're into gaming, you'll know all that DPI stuff means. Like I say, you can turn the lights off. It's not a bad one. It's not a bad one. It works. It does everything it says it's going to do, and it's relatively cheap. £23 for that. £23 for that. And this does come off this part. You just pull it off. That just comes off. It's just these vertical mice. There's something about them that I can't quite get used to it. Maybe I'm too old, I don't know, I just can't get used to it. If I stuck with it and said that's the only mouse I'm ever using again, I'd probably get used to it, but it's just something that's a bit, I'm aiming it and I'm trying to aim it, and I've got a laptop down there, I'm just trying to aim it, it's just not as precise as using the old school retro style mouse. But that's one there, that's from DELUX. Thanks for sending me that, DELUX. Everything works about it, I have no issues with it. The issue I have is with vertical mouse. That's the issue I have, because it's just, it don't quite feel right. But if you're after one and you're after a cheap one, this does everything it's designed to do, and it works absolutely fine. I have no issues with this product, so to speak. I have my issues, like I say, with vertical mice. Remember, subscribe to this channel if you want more reviews of absolutely anything, most likely. I suppose the light's quite cool as well. Lights, do you like them lights? Them lights are, look at them lights. What light? It's basically just that sideways. Big buttons.